Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you my favorite courses on Udemy for JavaScript and React. Alright, so let's get started in here with this one. It's called the Complete JavaScript Course 2018 Build Real Projects. This is a course from Jonas Schmethman. I never know his name. But guys, whatever courses I'm gonna cover in here, I'm gonna put all the links down below if you want to check them out, alright? So let's check this one out first of all. So this one in here from Jonas,
Do you want to take
I really like this guy.
To the next?
I also took another course from him and I just really like the way that he teaches. But this course in here is just amazing because it takes you, let me just go in here, look. Let me just take this sound off. Basically, in here in this course, you are building like different applications, and you can actually apply your skills with JavaScript. So let's just go look. You got this one, you got this one as well. It's a kind of a to-do list app.
Specifically to give you a real JavaScript coding experience as you go through the course. So this truly is a complete JavaScript course that goes way beyond what other...
You actually learn really a lot in this course, and that's why this is one of my favorite ones. It covers a lot of things. Let's see what it covers. JavaScript, advanced objects, you got Ajax as well, you got ES6, you got NPM, Babel, Webpack. A lot, look, questions to your JavaScript knowledge. I really like this course, and also I like the teaching style of Jonas. Like I said, I took some other courses from him as well, and I really enjoy. I think it's really easy for me to learn from him. So this is like the... And look at this, 31,000 ratings and 152,000 students enrolled. So this is definitely like a good course to get started, like if you don't know nothing. Then there is this one in here, the modern JavaScript from the beginning. This course in here is from Brad Traversy. I bet that most of you guys, if not like everyone, knows Brad Traversy, and I really like this course from him because it teaches you like all the fundamentals since the beginning. Let, vars, const, everything, how you can do console logs, console.log for errors that I didn't even know like a long time ago, and it covers like really everything, all the new ES6 syntax, object orientated, the new fetch API, how you can actually do API projects as well in here. This is another great course if you want to get better with JavaScript. And look at this. At the moment, look, this is in pounds because I'm in UK, but probably you can get these like for $10. I'm gonna put all the links down below, and let's see this one. This is like the last one. So you got this one from you got this one from Jonas. You got another one from Brad Traversy. This is really good, and then you got this one. Okay. This one in here is from Anthony Alicia. This is JavaScript understanding the weird parts. So in this course, you are not actually like building projects and stuff, okay? This is really this guy going through the JavaScript for you to understand how it runs. So for example, when you start a function, you know when this function is going to run, or what is going to run after and what's going to run before. So you actually learn how JavaScript works in the backend, so you know like what steps everything is running. So this is another amazing course that one of my favorites. But like I said, this is really, I think it's better for you to start learning this one after you already have some knowledge of JavaScript, because after you know, for example, how objects work, how functions and everything, if you go back to this course in here, you will see, wow, okay, now I understand why this is happening. I remember, for example, in the beginning when I was starting out, if you have a lot of functions, if you call a function first and then you declare the function after, I thought that you know, it's just like the way that things are being called and the functions are running and how you are assigning values, how everything works in the backend. You really become a better developer after you take this course. So look at this 4.7 rating. Okay, this is really a good course. So this is it now for like for JavaScript. This is the three courses that I recommend, and I think that if you take any of them, I mean, they are like $10 or something like that. So if you want to invest in yourself, this is like the best thing that you can do, really. So let's go again to now React. Okay, so let's go for my favorite React courses. I got this one in here from Brad Traversy as well. Like I said, I really like his style, and in this course basically he's just doing a lot of small projects with things that you could actually use in a company. Okay, it's not like this kind of really easy projects. He's just doing stuff that you could be doing in a company when you get hired. Okay, so you can actually see like really professional projects and how you can use them basically. So I really like this course. I really like Brad Traversy teaching style. And then I got this one in here. I have to say that probably this one in here, the React the Complete Guide from Maximilian Schwarzmüller. I never know how to pronounce his name, but this one in here is my favorite. Okay, my favorite course on React. A lot of you guys ask me, Telmo, what's like your favorite course on React? There is some people they prefer the Stefan Grider, another one of the teachers in here on Udemy, but I really like this guy Maximilian Schwarzmüller. I think that he teaches really well. He takes everything like from the ground up, like if you don't know nothing. So, and he knows, you can see that he knows what he's talking about. I'm just gonna put in here a bit. I don't know if he's gonna show something about the projects that we are gonna build. Let's see.
Experiences.
Yeah, it's just like talking about everything about React. You know, it also covers Redux, which is very important. Let me see. This is like the project that we are building, the burger.
Creating dynamic components. We will not ever be and possible in this course.
Yeah, it doesn't show too much things in here, but like I said, this one is the one that I really love the most. Okay, and I learned a lot. I remember that when I was studying to get my first job as a React developer, this was the course that I was learning from. All right, guys. And then we got this one as well, the Complete React Web Developer course from Andrew Mead. I don't even know his name. But yeah, this is another great course. I really like this guy as well, and his teaching style. So basically that's it. You do a lot of stuff with this course, a lot of different projects as well. I think it doesn't show too much in here. But yeah, guys, I think that's it. That's it for this video. You have in here my recommendations about like the best courses where I'm just gonna show you basically in here. You want to learn JavaScript, you want to learn React, you want to become a better developer, and there is people like that you don't have too much money to invest, like to learn. There is like I said, there is a lot of things for free online. But if you can invest some money on yourself in really professional courses just like these ones, I'm just going to show you in here. Look, all these courses that I put in here, none of them, they are my courses, okay? So I'm not trying to promote them or anything. All of these courses in here, they basically they are done by professional developers. And look, if you take all of them, let's say 1, you got 2, you got 3 of them for JavaScript and another 3 of them for React. Let's say that you buy each one of them for $10, okay? You spend like $60, and you have in here, I don't know, a lot of hours on JavaScript, a lot of hours on React, and for $60, look, this is just if you buy all of them. You don't need to buy all of them, okay? But in here, look at this. If you spend $60, you have all the knowledge you need to become a professional JavaScript developer. All the knowledge that you need to get your first job as a front-end web developer. Okay, these courses in here, they don't cover HTML and CSS. I'm just like basically focusing on JavaScript because I know this is the hardest part. Everyone can learn a little bit of HTML and CSS, but JavaScript, it's a little bit harder. Everybody knows about it because when you start out, it's a little bit confusing. But yeah, that's it, guys. Look at this. If you buy all of them, you spend $60, and look, if you spend $60, you can become a web developer. You can earn a much better salary than probably what you are getting at the moment. Look at me, for example, when I was working in a coffee shop doing sandwiches. If I knew at the time, I don't even think that Udemy existed, or I didn't even know about it, because I would really invest my money in this. Is much better than you going to spend money, for example, on boot camps or I don't know, in other places that they are not going to be as good as these. I don't know, but yeah, this is something cheap, accessible, and with good value. And if you guys want to check it out, all the links they are in the description. So that's it, guys. That's it for this video. I hope you like it. If you have any other courses that you think that you think that they are great, okay, just put them down in here and I will add them to the description. And that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next video.